hello to all of my beautiful ladies out there, and welcome to Women's Den. So as you know, the world is slowly opening back up and it's summertime. So I wanted to give you guys a little tutorial on how I do my makeup, and in no way, shape, or form am I a professional makeup artist. I commend people who can do this professionally because I think it truly is an art. I just wanted to share how I do my makeup if I'm getting ready to go out for a nice evening or for a nice dinner. And this is the look that I will be showing you. Enjoy! So, first things first, be sure to moisturize. What I like to use is the Cetaphil brand. It's very good for hydrating and moisturizing your skin. You don't need a whole lot. So, always go up on your face. Next, I like to put on a little primer mist. So what I use is e.l.f. and it is super cheap, but it's a really good brand. And let that dry for a little bit. Next step is my favorite, eyebrows. So the brand of the product that I like to use is Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is the Dip Brow Pomade, and it lasts me for a really long time, and I absolutely love this brand. So the color that I use is chocolate. So let's brush out our eyebrows a little bit, then get to sculpting. So what I like to do is start with the arch. I know a lot of people do different techniques. So don't worry about making any mistakes in this part because you can always correct it with concealer. Just remember that eyebrows are always sisters, never twins. Next step is outlining the eyebrows. So I like to use NARS concealer. This one is medium / dark 2 caramel. And so a little technique that I like to use to make sure that it's not too light is to take my foundation and actually mix it a little bit so it's a little bit lighter but not too off kilter. I like this part of doing my makeup because it's like drawing on my face, and I love to draw. Perfect at outlining my eyebrows, but that's okay because I can always go back and fix it. But let's go back and fix a couple spots. also like to fan it out a little bit towards the center. Next, I put a little dabber of foundation on my eyelids so that there's some sort of a base on it. I don't really like using powder, too many powder products on my face because I used to have dry skin, and because of Cetaphil, I'm working on getting more hydrated and more moisturized skin. So I like to use a silicone sponge because for me it's easier to clean than a fabric sponge. The foundation that I use is the, what brand is this? Maybelline Fit. It is 338 Spicy Brown. Be sure to always pat your eyes and not to wipe them. So the color palette that I like to use is Morphe 9C, the Jewel Crew, and it is just my favorite one. I absolutely love it. So we're going to mix the browns for the base. Next, I'm going to blend it out a little bit more. Okay, so I don't recommend pulling your eyelids too much, but I'm going to do it for these two instances just to get the gold a little bit more perfect. Next step for me is foundation. Again, the color that I use is Maybelline Fit Me 338 Spicy Brown. So the next step is eyeliner, and the one that I'm using right now is Araceli, and it is gel pencil eyeliner, black, and I don't know where you could get these in stores, but I will research and put a link below because this came in an Ipsy package. So try not to pull down too much. It's literally just like coloring. Then I am going to put a little bit of my concealer on my cheeks. Not too much for me. And then on my nose, above my lip. put that on before I put the eyeliner, but they're not really getting in the way of each other, so it's fine. Next step is liquid eyeliner. The one that I use is Essence Super Last. This brand is really cheap and it's good. Did I mention that this is literally like coloring on your face? Next step is mascara. So the one that I use is CoverGirl, the Super Sizer. This one is waterproof. So a tip that I'm sure most of you already know is if you want thicker lashes, wait for the first coat to dry a bit and then lay it on some more. Okay, top lashes are done. Look at that. Bottom lashes. I like to smooth out my wrinkles sometimes. Okay. Next step is lips. So very important. If you are going to do any color on your lips, please use lip liner. The one that I'm using is NYX. It is 823 Earth Tone. And then I like to fill it in a little bit on the lip just to help with blending it out with a lip gloss or lipstick that you're going to use. Perfect. And then the lip gloss I'm going to fill it in with is NYX Lingerie, and the color is LLS09 Mason. End it with a little bit of highlighter. So what I use is NYX Duo Chromatic Illuminating Powder, and the number is DCI P05 Synthetica. So I go super light on this because you can see it's really bright. Alright, so this is my finished look. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And be sure to like and follow us on social media. We are on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And be sure to check out our website at www.womensden.com every Wednesday and Saturday, where there'll be a new blog waiting for you. Thank you.